Prun hydraulics to factories are located in Wuxi, Jiangsu, China. It is a specialized and special new enterprise, high-tech enterprise and enterprise technology center in Wuxi City. The factory mainly engages in the production of precision parts, such as hydraulic pumps, motors, and valves. At Piston Pump Manufacturing, we designed, engineer, and build a complete range of superior quality hydraulic pumps and spare parts. We control production from foundry to finish, and being based in Wuxi, it means that we have access to quality raw materials, resulting in superior quality products at very competitive prices. All our pump parts, piston shoe, cylinder block, valve plates, retainer plates, ball guide, drive shaft, swash plate, support, saddle bearing and charge pump etc. are manufactured on our premises, further enhancing our rapid production capability. We mass produce these parts in batches to supply global demand. Our heat treatment plant has Collins process qualifications, brings the performance of accessories to a leading level. We use Nissin Seiki equipment for honing processing. The plunger sliding shoe adopts fully automated processing. Using fully automated plunger closing equipment save labor costs and improve closing efficiency. We use French collar grinding part surfaces, hand grinding the surface to AKIV highest standard. Deburring the cylinder block surface. Our to spare parts warehouses to support OEM manufacturers' large volume orders. All parts undergo a rigorous quality. The Measurement and Testing Center has introduced advanced high-precision measurements and testing equipment from Europe and the United States. Control check to ensure we deliver only the highest quality products free from defects in material and workmanship, and is sold with a 12-month warranty from date of installation. Different hydraulic pump spare parts are equipped with different high-precision CNC lathes, CNC turning centers, CNC machining centers, CNC vertical lathes, etc. Piston Pump Manufacturing services global markets in several different countries through our worldwide supply chain network. Through this, we are able to maintain a comprehensive stock holding of spares in our warehouses in China ports, city, allowing for very fast delivery times. Our second factory equipment model reduces Kawasaki spare parts and services Kawasaki new pump assembly, pump repair. Mainly includes Kawasaki K3V63, K3V112, K3V140, K3V180, K5V140, K5V160, K5V80, K5V200, K7V63, covers almost the entire range of Kawasaki pumps and spare parts. In the interests of the environment, we also recycle reclaimed machining coolants, cutting oils. We have reduced our environmental impact even further by adhering to stringent air quality control measures with our new air filtering. At present, the complete pump models we assemble include Kawasaki's K3V series, K5V series, K7V series and Rexroth's A1OVSO 3132 series, A1OVO 5152nd series, A4 VSO series, A11 VO series. Quick response through multiple spare parts warehouses to quickly serve countries around the world. Prun Hydraulic, pumping the world better.